You've heard the myth that sharks never get cancer. But is it true? We are going to debunk this popular story and reveal the real science behind shark biology. For decades, people believed sharks possessed complete immunity to cancer due to their ancient lineage and slow metabolism. However, modern research shows this is a common misconception that needs correcting. The truth is that sharks absolutely can get cancer. Studies have confirmed cases in wild and captive populations, proving they are not immune to the mutations that cause uncontrolled cell growth. Despite this, scientists discovered sharks have a surprising genetic advantage. They possess many genes capable of making proteins that help prevent cancer and repair DNA damage before it becomes fatal. This biological reality has huge implications for medicine. While we find valuable compounds in nature, marine sources currently provide less than 1% of our anti-cancer drugs, despite their potential. The challenge isn't that the cures aren't there, it is that researchers aren't there, it is that researchers are not looking for them. We need to shift our focus to marine environments to unlock these hidden natural products. So instead of a magical immunity, we have an evolutionary superpower waiting to be studied. Understanding shark genetics could lead to breakthroughs that save millions of human lives from cancer. This myth has cost us valuable medical insights for too long. What other animal myths have you encountered? Let me know in the comments below.